Volt Inu is doing what it does best, voting. Volt Inu is experiencing a parabolic price run today. We'll get into that and more coming up right after this. How's it going, family? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a long while, but you know what? We're ready to rock and roll, guys. I have some exciting news to share with you today regarding the Volt Inu community, the Volt Army, guys. And it's in the form of some tweets and some pricing action. But what I want to do is first, let me remind you to go ahead, smash the like button. It really helps YouTube to spread the word about this channel. And last but not least, go ahead and subscribe, guys. We would love to welcome you with open arms into the Crypto Stream family. Guys, let's get right to it. Now, I wanted to show you some pricing action over here because look what you see here. Volt Inu is voting, guys, up nearly 30% on the day. That is impressive, guys, relatively speaking to the market. Look at this. Everything, as you know, went on a free fall yesterday. The whole crypto market just took a poop in the toilet, right? So we saw a massive fall to the downside, guys, a falling knife, if you will, starting around the 8th of November. Look at this. We fell from 5 Satoshis 13 all the way down, guys. Let's see, we pegged this at around 6 Satoshis 82. I mean, the bottom fell out. In fact, we gained a zero. That is a major fall, guys. But you know what? Look at this. Voltoshi did what he does best. He gave us the spirit of not having fear by having a great project such as Volt Inu. And you know what? The Volt Army came in, stepped in, and said, we don't buy that price that low. We want to get it higher. So you know what? They stepped in and ate that dip, guys, like it was buffalo sauce. And look at this. We've since seen the price rise from 6 Satoshis 81 all the way up now to where we're sitting at 5 Satoshis 11. Again, nearly 30% up on the day. Now, what I want to show you guys is something that you, Volt Army, should be very proud of. And this is very bullish. And this comes in the form of a tweet. Yes, a tweet. And I'm going to break it down to you why I believe this can very well continue to help push the price of Volt Inu up into the heavens. Guys, take a look at this. This is a tweet from a person by the name of Mr. Big Whale. Now, Mr. Big Whale, this guy's a big deal when it comes to crypto, guys. He is an influencer on the Twitter space, guys. Look at this. This guy has 2.4 million with an M. Let me repeat that just in case you had a little static in your ears so you can understand and comprehend what I'm trying to show you here, why this is such bullish news. Mr. Big Whale, again, has 2.4 million with an M followers. And look what he put out today in a tweet. All you need is vote at Volt Inu Official. Guys, that is a mic drop moment. You know why? Because now that you see that this person that's so important, like Mr. Big Whale in this crypto space, in these crypto streets, is basically repping Volt Inu, people follow him. People they get into his tweets and they say, I may have never heard of Volt Inu. Let me go check that out. You know what? That's going to drive more investors into the Volt Inu project to become Volt Army people, guys. I believe that's why if we go over here back to Dex Tools, we can see that this recovery here. That's why, guys. You know, let alone some other things coming down the pike. You know, the Voltichange, which will be released sometime soon within 3 weeks. As of last Friday, it was within 3 weeks. So now tomorrow is Friday. So now we can argue and say within 2 weeks. Now, I made a video. You should go look at that because I came to you. I think I was probably the first YouTuber. I believe I was the first YouTuber to come out at that time that news broke. I got on the airwaves as soon as that news came out, guys, and I put a video out there letting you guys know, hey, Voltichange was coming in hot and heavy within 3 weeks. Now, at that point, I said in 3 weeks, meaning that I gave a specific date, but what I meant to say was within 3 weeks. So that means that it can be between that point on to 3 weeks, which is Black Friday. So in other words, guys, Voltichange is imminent. I repeat, imminent, which means that this little price point that you see here is probably never going to be seen again, guys. We're going to make another video in the future that's covering Voltichange in more detail once it gets closer to launch or once it launches. We're going to do that, guys. Now, one of the other things I want to show you is this. So we already talked about Mr. Big Whale. That's bullish in itself. That's going to drive some eyes to the prize, which is Volt Inu. Now, what I want to show you is this. This is the fear and greed index for Bitcoin, the granddaddy, the mover and the shaker for the whole crypto industry. We can see that we are currently at a 22, which is extreme fear, guys. When we are in extreme fear in this crypto market, this is the time for you to be greedy. Like Warren Buffett says, when others are fearful, you should be greedy. And when others are greedy, in other words, when this fear and greed index is over here to utopia, when it's all massive green, that's when you should be concerned, because you know what? A big dump is coming, because that's when the people that have been diligently stacking their bags, guys, stacking their bags during the times that we're in now, when everything looks weak, everything looks bloody, the blood is all over in the streets, your portfolio is down. That's the time you should be stacking up those bags, guys, so that when the economy turns back around or when the bull run comes back, you can back up the truck and take it to the bank, guys. That's what we aim to do on this channel, is to educate you in these crypto streets so that you can make informed investment decisions. Not financial advice, but that's just something that we like to do to give you some ears in the streets and give you some insight into how to pick those good crypto projects. Now, what I want to show you is going back to this crypto fear and greed index. This is showing you here that it's a lot of fear, a lot of bloods out there in these crypto streets. And that speaks to what happened over the last couple of days here in these crypto streets. Now we're looking bullish today. We're up almost 12% on the day, sitting at around 896.5 billion in global market cap. But look at this, guys. Bitcoin took a poop to the toilet stool. Let's take a look at this, guys, because you need to understand where you come from to understand where you're going. That's how we like to educate on this channel. Now, you see this? Look at this. We started seeing Bitcoin falling on November 8th. So we're going to peg it a matter of 2.5 days. We went from having on November the 8th a price point of Bitcoin, let's just call it here $20,550. Let's just call it 20,000, right? For the sake of argument. Over a course of a day and a half to 2 days, we bottom out. We bottom out at Bitcoin price of almost $15,500. So, guys, we saw the price point drop from 20, almost 21 to 15. Guys, that is nearly capitulation levels. Capitulation meaning that there are a lot of people that are just selling out their positions. They're like, look, I don't trust crypto. I'm done. I can't stomach the volatility in it. That's the time, guys, where you need to be greedy. You're going to thank me later, because you know what? This bear market is not going to last always. You need to be greedy when there's blood on these crypto streets. Now, one of the things I want to show you is this. You see this? This is why you should be proud, Volt Army. You should be proud of Voltoshi, because he definitely delivers. That is all. This person put out this tweet, so I want to give them credit for this, right? And here's the graphic here. It speaks for itself. How it started. As you know, Volt Inu, they had a V1, right? They had a V1. They came out last year, in Q4 of last year, November, December timeframe. So it started off, Volt Inu. They were listed on zero exchanges. They had a gazillion zeros in December 2021. And then flash forward to the migration to V2. This is how it's going. We can see that Volt Inu has been listed on 56 centralized exchanges and counting, with a goal of around 99 centralized exchanges, 15 decentralized exchanges as of November 2022. Guys, if this doesn't make you feel bullish, I don't know what does. All I got to say, guys, Volt Inu, I think you have a winner chicken dinner here on our plates. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in to the crypto stream. We'll come back to you when we have some more news that breaks, which I believe will be real soon.